Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video we will talk about yet another built-in data type in Python, which is Boolean. So yeah, let's get into it. So Boolean data type has only two possible values, that is either true or false. So if I assign a variable value true and I want to check the type of this variable, and I can do that using the type function, right? The type function returns the class of whatever object we pass into it. So if I run this, it will tell me that it is of class bool, which is short for boolean, and that's how Python defines it. Similarly, yeah, if I assign b as false and I want to check the type of b this time, and I'll run it again. This is also of class bool. Um, so yeah, remember, I cannot make this small. Like if I make f lower case and I try to run it, this is going to give me an error. It says that false is not defined because now Python is searching for a variable named as false. And since we have obviously not defined it, it is giving me an error. So yeah, it works only if f is capital and all else and everything else is small. So yeah, uh, in Python, any individual value can be evaluated to true or false. So values that evaluate to true are called as true values, and values that evaluate to false are called as false values. And we can evaluate this using the bool function. So bool function evaluates uh, any value, whatever we pass to it, and it will return true or false. So for example, I have a string s, and I'll store apple in it. And now I want to see if it's a true or a false value. So I'll pass s to this bool function and I'll print whatever this bool function will return to me. Let's see. True. That just means that s is a true value. Apple is a true value. Similarly, let's try doing integers. So I've passed 3. Okay, it's a true value. Let's try a floating point number of 5.6 of a true value again. So let me tell you this, almost everything in Python will evaluate to true if it has some content in it. Only empty strings, numeric values that evaluates to 0, or empty lists, empty dictionaries, empty sets, empty tuples. Now I know you might not know what list, dictionary, tuples and sets mean, but if it's empty, it will evaluate to false. So those will be falsy values. For example, if I print the truthiness or falsiness of this empty string, see, it's a falsy value. Similarly, if I try printing bool of 0 and I run, it's a falsy value. So yeah, that was about truthiness and falsiness of the values. This might not make much sense to you right now, but once you learn about conditional statements, or if you know them, this is very useful there, and we're gonna look into it in the future videos, of course. This will make much more sense later. So yeah, stay with me till then, please. Okay, let's move on. Now there are another set of operators which kind of goes along with this topic that we have chosen, and that is comparison operators. Because comparison operators always returns a boolean value. Well, comparison operators, like the main name suggests, it is used to compare two values in Python. So it's like 5 equals to 5, or 5 not equals to 5, sorry, or 4 greater than 5, or 4 greater than equal to 4, or 6 less than 9, or 6 less than equal to 6. So these are all comparison operators, and this will all return a Boolean value. Well, you can even use comparison operators with strings, not only integers, but you can use this with strings too. In that case, when you compare ABC with ABC, I'm sorry, it doesn't work like this. It's like one string compared to another string. So yeah, in this case, it will compare the ASCII values of these characters. So ASCII values of lowercase characters is always greater than ASCII values of uppercase characters. So yeah, this is gonna return me true because yeah, that is the case. Okay, wait, this is confusing. Let's just comment all of this, right? Let me print, or let's just. So what if I do something like this? Now this will check the ASCII value of A and A. Okay, it's same. We'll go to B and this B. Okay, this is bigger. So yeah, this will return true. So if I run this, returns me true. So yeah, this is how comparison operators work with strings. So yeah, that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll talk about Boolean operators. Now these are a little different than comparison operators in a way that it takes Boolean input and it outputs a Boolean value too. And yeah, many such Boolean related functions we can look into. And in the meanwhile, if you like this video, if it helped you in any way, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. Until then, take care. See you soon. Bye bye.